Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Think Different Television. Here's the do now. Okay, so we need to get X. What is X? Use your knowledge of angles and triangles. Ready, set, go. Pause the video. All right, let's see. Here it is. Here's my picture. So I know that this is a triangle, and so I'm trying to get this. Usually the stuff that's further away leads me to the right answer. And so I know that this is 60 degrees. Why? Oh, vertical angles, right? Vertical angles. And all angles inside a triangle equal, 180. So 60 plus 40 plus X equals 180. So all three angles equal 180 degrees. So it's 100 plus something is 180. I don't have to subtract 100. I know that that's 80. 100 plus 80 is 180. So 80 is the answer. Yeah. So that would be J. All right, next one. Kind of a tricky one, but not. If 4x minus 3y equals 10, what's the value of 12x minus 9y? What do you think? See if you can do it yourself. Ready, set, go. Okay, let's try it. Boop. So one thing I noticed about this, you can't solve an equation with two variables. It doesn't work. So I can't like solve for x and plug it in. I don't know what I do. Oh, one thing I do notice that you see the 4 and the 12, that's times 3. You see the negative 3 and the negative 9y, that's also times 3. So what it's asking me to do is just multiply this entire equation by 3. Just like if it was a system of equations, which we'll get to, you multiply these by a number, right? But this is just 12x minus 9y equals 30. There we go. Just 30. That's how you do it. So I saw that relationship between 4x minus 3y and 12x minus 9y. I knew it was times 3. And then times the entire equation by 3. So there we go. So that would be E. Nice job. This is very relevant to calculus class. Which of the following best describes the function graph below? F, G, H, J, K. Go. Well, I would say that this relationship is increasing because it's going up, right? But it's increasing at a decreasing rate. So like, this slope is positive, and if I draw any slope, like a straight line, it's getting less and less positive, but it's still positive slope. So that's a positive slope, but it's getting less and less positive because it starts out really positive. So I would say this is, increasing at a decreasing rate. I would say this is G. Okay, last one. Let's see if we can solve this one. You might want to multiply the top and bottom equation by something. That's all I'm saying. Ready, set, go. All right, let's see. Doot. Sorry. Doot. I'm going to hit this button. Okay. So I don't want to deal with really big numbers, so I'm going to deal with these. So I think the common factor is -6 and +6. So multiply this by -2. Multiply this by +3. So that would get me -6 here and 6y here. So -6y and 6y. So that's going to be -10x minus 6y equals -22. 21x plus 6y equals 3 times 0, which is 0. Boop, boop, whoop. There we go. Okay, add them up because I got a magic pair. -10 plus 21 is 11. This is 0, and so this is -22. -22 plus 0 is that. So divide by 11, x equals -2. Yeah. Okay, and I need to plug it back in. Doesn't matter. I can plug in this, or this, or this, or this. Doesn't matter. Let's plug in, I don't know, this one. Right here. 5 times -2 plus 3y equals 11. -10 plus 3y equals 11. There we go. Add 10. Add 10. 3y equals 21. 3 times what is 21? Yeah, that would be 7. So negative 2 for x and 7 for y. Negative 2, 7. Which would be G. Right there. Good work, everybody.